All right, new arrival, 1988 930 with a factory Slantnose 505 option. This is from an era where the Sonderwish program and all the hand-built cars back in the day really meant something. This was a very rare package. You had to be very special and also have a lot of money back in the day to be able to buy something like this. Only about 145 Slantnose coupes came in to the United States in 1988. And back in the day, this was a $28,000 package. Insanely expensive for the era. This example, beautiful Guards Red. It is in the original configuration. No mods besides a Porsche Classic radio. And it was ordered with a special leather champagne leather interior. Beautiful condition. Even the climate control and the seat belts are wrapped in champagne leather, and it smells new in here because it only has 8,567 miles. And as I mentioned, the only modification is a Porsche Classic radio. This is all factory with the raised hub steering wheel. And even the engine is immaculate as well. Again, only about 8,600 miles. It's been nicely serviced. Got good history on that. No power outers, no bigger turbo upgrades or special exhaust or wastegates. It's bone stock. And over here, you'll see I have Porsche Classic certification, the Slantnose supplement, and the original window sticker, COA, and of course the tools and compressor. So again, this is a 1988 930 factory Slantnose, factory option 505. Guards Red over special ordered champagne leather interior with only 8,000 original miles.